Good day, everybody! I am Don Nathaniel Lorraine Elodico,
I am Trisha Belby Ferrer.
And I am Mark Simon Situnda.
and we are from St. Louis School High School Department, located in the Philippines. Hello, everybody. This is our robot named Wally, who was made in order to aid people with disabilities such as ADHD, autism, as well as younger kids who yet do not have access to things such as their smartphones or laptops. So, Wall-E is an interactive bot. As you can see, he's sleeping right now. But when you approach him using this ultrasonic sensor, he wakes up. The purpose of him being interactive like this is to get children and people with disabilities to have more interest in interacting with him. Wall-E's main purpose is for schedule, screen time, and other medications that you may also add to a calendar. This calendar is also connected to our Google Calendar, which you can constantly update using your own cell phone, up to 10 events per week. As well as if you're someone who struggles with their screen time, so here you can upload how much time that you will want to use your phone, and you can also view the usage, and you will also reset the timer when needed. So I was thinking, in line with this year's theme, what product would I actually make using this? So I decided on a reminder robot, as someone who also actually struggles with remembering stuff at times due to constant stress and such. So I hope that this reaches just a moderate or even a big amount of audience, since I think it would be very useful, especially if considering this prototype would be more upgraded into much more greater levels. That's all for us today, and thank you very much for listening to this video.